Do you want to set up an IPv6 internet connection on your TP-Link router? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to do so. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method: set up an IPv6 internet connection. Visit this link http://tplinkwifi.net and log in with the TP-Link ID or password. Navigate to the advanced option, then select IPv6. Now select the mode provided by your ISP for enabling the IPv6 connection. You can contact your ISP in case you do not know what your internet connection mode is. If your ISP provides you two different accounts for IPv4 and IPv6, then you can enter the username and password for IPv6 manually in the respective fields. Next, select Pass-Through Bridge and click on Save. Next, go to the Network section and select Status. Here you can check if you could set up an IPv6 connection successfully. Next, you can select the router mode. Then configure the WAN connection. Here you can set the WAN connection type to normal and get IPv6 address to auto. Now navigate to the MAC clone section and set the MAC address of the router. You should use the default address until your ISP allows internet access from a specific MAC address. It is recommended to keep the default settings of the LAN. Next, click on the Connect option and click on Save. Now navigate to Network Settings, then choose Status. Now check if you could successfully set up the IPv6 connection. And there you have it. The method to set up an IPv6 internet connection on a TP-Link router. We hope the method have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know about this video. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.